Minasan, konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Today we will learn the ninth Hiragana row, ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Before you watch this video, I have a small request. I'm not a native Japanese speaker, so for natural and accurate pronunciation, please make sure to also watch videos by native Japanese speakers. My videos will give you a clear basic explanation and practice so you can understand it easily as a beginner. Now let's learn the Hiragana letters. The first Hiragana is ra. Ra. Example word rainen. Rainen means next year. Next year. Example sentence rainen nihon ni ikimasu. Rainen nihon ni ikimasu. I will go to Japan next year. Rainen nihon ni ikimasu. The next hiragana ri. Ri. Example word ringo. Ringo means apple. Apple. Example sentence Ringo o tabemasu. Ringo o tabemasu. I eat an apple. Ringo o tabemasu. The next hiragana is ru. Ru. Example word rusu. Rusu means not at home. Rusu. Example sentence Ima ie wa rusu desu. Ima ie wa rusu desu. Right now, no one is at home. Ima ie wa rusu desu. Next one, re. Re. Example word remon. Remon means lemon. Lemon. Example sentence Remon wa suppai desu. Remon wa suppai desu. Lemon is sour. Remon wa suppai desu. Next hiragana ro. Ro. Example word roku. Roku means 6. Example sentence Ringo ga roku arimasu. Ringo ga roku arimasu. There are 6 apples. Ringo ga roku arimasu. That's all for today's lesson. In the next video, we will learn the 10th hiragana row wa and wo and the last hiragana Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Matane.